No, lamsago te hambai o press meet on the rock and mother family bangai. Of Hunkai, Chini Jet Tripura Tribal Areas Ottoman District Council is a procession. O procession, the Nay Bichar Rani Bangai, some committed among some who stands for the justice. Nirujodana Saimaka, the last Jagan Sat Zonal Development Officer by Deputy Principal Officer is a Parikhangan the money 9th June for our answer key leak money bangi our defer month like subsequently amachung FIR book like arrest bunga under police investigation o bishoy Honorable Governor Sungna Rinka was suggestion Rika on it that the next Porikha that on it precautionary measures Nazakham in accordingly some precautionary measures Naka among some Porikha conduct like last 14th July 21 July 2024 our smoothly Nunka some Itimote some result published the last Parikha the answer key leak money not 2 years. Some Kaisha one man commission, some inquiry commission, some are constitute like Amajotto public Sinani Bangui or press meet or Nevatavo Songsazaka. Amani main subject the some additional process on the top take. Some Kaisha one man commission for inquiry, some constitute like one man commission, Sri Bijoy Dev Burma, IAS retired, secretary to the government of Tripura Tangmani, Bono some one man commission, some Bono appointment like already Bani office, Bani official activities, official function was start like Bani office संके और नारवाई तंग थाया Bani office खोलक जगनाई Bani secretary बा one man commission नि secretary का मोतीलाल देव वर्मा का one man commission बा आचुकना आर निगा office खोलक करो जेई कुनो interested बरा in the process of inquiry जेई कुनो बरा जेई शाना निमु सुगने रा बनी आरा फाइशा फाइमाना लिखित अपन राइट फाइल फाइमाना বা বারবেলি ফানে ইনফরমেশন রিফাইনমেন্ট যে ও আনসার কি বাহাকে লিংখা অমনে রুট কজ দমা ব থেকে আমতে লিংখা বনি ব্যাপার যে ইনফরমেশন দনাদ মুসুকনাইরা যত পাবলিক বরনা ফাই ইনফরমেশন ফাই রিফাইনমেন্ট অঙ্গা দ বিজয় দেববর্মা আইএস রিটায়ার্ড বা ওয়ান ম্যান কমিশন বনি কন্টাক্ট নাম্বার খা 94361 20049 Ama gazette notification bo khlaijaka newspaper bo publish khlaijaka jotta sinani bangai agata bo through jara na je press personnel tangnai borni media person sangai borni taraf theke bo borni through ang public na jara interested party jara interested borni attention draw khlai amnang sanan musugo there are now one man commission of high information Rahibaidi Jate Clay Chungaman root causes detection clay Avanachang Jotani Mane justice ni bangachang Jate Podakam Namama 3 Una Massa Clay Oraniga even one man commission about public hearing notice Clay public hearing notice khlaika hangkai patrika bo borinai aga bani taraf theke notice jaga wo borhanai zonal officer sub zonal officer or ADC ni joto principal officers ni officer joto jagan bo notice rinai rimani pore public ro khai jate jot dagan hangkai secretly bobai malai mano ba publicly phai banara statement ro phai mano jama bahake leak ngkha hangkai one man inquiry committee on the basis of many inquiry ja khainai mannai ebong public ni thani khamani pore bo report submit khlaine report submit khlaimani pore bani report submit ni upora bitti khlai chen action teibo jeng further action nanai jate justice borok justice mannani